Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word dominance. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is dom-a-nuns. Let's break it down. First, we have D-O-M, which rhymes with bomb and mom. Next is a quick unstressed vowel sound like the A in sofa. Then comes nuns, which sounds like none with an S at the end. Now, let's put it all together, dominance. Try repeating after me, dominance. Now a little faster, dominance. And at full speed, dominance. Keep practicing and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Dominance refers to having control, influence, or power over something or someone. It can also describe the state of being more important or stronger than others. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce dominance and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.